What are you saying?
What's going on?
Beautiful day.
It's a good day to test the trough anyway.
Yeah. So many waters draining. Beautiful.
There you go. Good water, right?
Yeah.
Let me pass through there so I can take the trough.
Oh yeah. Snug as frig. I'm helping.
It was an honor doing this for you. We'll
Perfect.
see you around. Let us know if you need anything else.
Perfect.
From there.
Right on, man.
Thank
Much
you.
obliged.
Absolutely.
Have a good day. Ooh, she's a barely dangling now. Wow. Okay, careful, don't get me. Careful your back.
It's okay, I'll get it.
I see that. Fuck. That's gonna be so much nicer. I should have done this a long time ago.
Squeegee's a lot cheaper.
Yeah, no shit. I'm trying to make Inwood nice though, Father.
Oh, once it's all covered in oil, how nice is that going to be?
Oh, it's not covered in oil too bad, only when I'm under curtain. Oh, careful. Where's the skid steer now? My face must not want that tractor too bad.
4:30 in the morning, I got a text. Oh, the Chinese food hit me pretty hard. I don't know if I'll make it. It's 4:30 in the morning.
Yeah, have a good poop and
Morning
get in the
is
truck.
2 hours from right now. So you've been up playing video games all night. Obviously.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's great.
Put it on that skid.
Yeah, I'll dump it on there with the tractor. We'll just get this, get it right out of the words.
It's not going in the trunk of the car. That's good scrap iron.
That's good weight right there. I don't know, she might be a little too good for that. Can't believe fuckface doesn't want that tractor. Holy shit. Here, should be able to push it. Okay. Let me see. I'll use my fucking
Pretty solid.
Inwood cigarette technique. Muscles. Oh, yeah. Why did I not do this a long time ago? Fuck, I'm dumb. Holy shit. Sometimes it just hurts being so fucking dumb, you know? You ever been so fucking dumb?
Oh yeah, all the time.
Isn't that
All the time.
I'll spend years of my life doing shit the hard way instead of spending an hour making, you know,
Making life easier.
pant loads of the amount of times saved in my life, you know? Oh shit, there we go. Oh yeah. Here, get that yourself.
Well, I'm working on it.
Oh. Here, I'll get the hoist. Oh yeah, that's way better. Oh, you broke it.
Yeah, snapped it.
Fuck. That was my good one, dude. Oh, that's hard on the equipment. Careful, don't bust it. That's awesome. Awesome.
Didn't duck once.
Nope. Didn't fucking clack my head once. You'll be hearing it on the comments. Fucking crawdad's so fucking dumb. There's a fucking skid steer right there. There's fucking shovel and stuff. Fucking idiot. Huh?
Yeah, all this equipment.
Yeah.
Use a shovel.
I got told I'm a stupid fucking idiot goof ginger fucking old dumb fat piece of shit because I didn't use the front end loader to lift the sheets of metal onto the roof. Huh? Isn't that nice?
Well, I was told. Yeah. Apparently he doesn't like walking in water and shit.
Not the best for...
I thought you were just building on together, right?
Well, I was gonna, and then a crawdad called me and started saying words to me, and next thing you know, I got these ideas and fucking... He's like, oh, maybe we can come and like do a little bit of concrete shit. I'm like, oh, you're gonna do concrete? Well, let's pull this out and do this and fucking pull, you know what I mean? And start fucking sending her.
Sure. Because it'll be better in the end, right?
Yeah.
Now you're gonna make me work in the fucking
Fuck's sakes. He should have bought me a better place. And then I wouldn't have to have you come over and work on it all the time. He should have bought me a better place. Instead of crappy old Inwood. Well, yeah, but now you're all fucking mad at me because you got to work in the quagmire. Should have bought me a place up on the mount. It had lots of drainage. Oh. Well, the guy who measured the roof told me it's ½ an inch out on the roof. So I don't know who fucking formed up this base or whatever, but
½ an inch.
and that's by the time we got to the top too, so
I must have slipped a little bit.
yeah. Holy, how do you get the fucking stakes with a round tip like that?
Oh, guy bought them.
Who did?
Guy in Elmer that we did a job for, and he got his own ready. We just poured it. And that's what we asked him. Apparently they got like a pencil sharpener
Yeah,
or whatever.
right on.
And they just go like this, and I guess they can do like for farmers' fence posts and shit like that. They just take a log and stick it in there, and it puts one of them on it, and that guy can take the tractor and just go boing, 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 and then tie their wire to it or whatever. I don't know. I never seen him before. She asked, and he was done with them. He said, "You guys want them?" Well, the least I could do is cut them down and make steaks of them or something. But, I figured they'd be good enough for Inwood.
So that's like your bucket of old shitty ones? Is that the idea? Oh, for
That's over here.
fuck's sakes. Can I get a couple of the ones out of the box?
Well, if you want.
Oh, I
brought you
apologize.
some over here. High quality
Those are the good ones?
Inwood steak.
I got a pile of them over there too, but they were in the ground for a while. They might be a little mushy on the end. You think it's going in, but the end's just like cartooning, you know?
Am I using screws or nails?
Just a valve in the ground. Oh, oh my goodness, startled me. Yo, you want a sandwich?
Sure.
Oh, that's my good one right there, buddy. You mad at me? Yeah. You bessin'? Oh, that's rebar. That's for strength. You almost got away from me there.
Yeah.
Good fucking lard, you know what I mean? How you making out? It's just fucked.
Words are a little wampus over there. It's kind of hard to get straight.
What's up with that? I'm just teasing you.
I'm trying my best, but good enough for inwood.
Usually.
Listening?
No, I'm tepsing.
Well, stop it. You chop enough of this out to get a board in. You do it with the pick or the machine or this. You want to do that with the pick, just wide enough, a couple 3 inches.
You gonna have supper?
Supper?
Yeah.
Maybe when I get home. I only got one, I'm only putting up one more board right there. And everything else is going to be up to you whenever you get her done. Shitload of cow. Once this end board's up, you can set her up to 5 inches and scrape it all this way or whatever, and then